Hi, I'm Tasneem. Welcome back to my channel, The Basic Point. So today I'm going to talk about a very effective tutoring tool that is provided by Google. That is Google Classroom. So Google Classroom is basically an online tool that allows teachers to set assignments. They can take homework, and students can submit their homework. Teachers can mark students' homework and return their graded paper also. So it's the effective way to manage your students or to uh, collect all the assignments and mark and grade students using online tools. So it's very effective and very easy to use. So first I want to open Google Classroom and show you how to open a Google Classroom and how to manage it. So first I'm going to click here Google Classroom, then uh, I'm going to continue. So you have to choose the email address you want to open your Google account with. Continue. Now you can find the option create or join a class. So in case of you want to create a class, you have to select this option, create a class. You have to accept it first and continue. Then you have to give a class name. I'm going to do math. I can give any section number, section 1. You can give subject name. You can give a room number 101, make it more formal. Click the create button, the classroom will be created. See, our classroom has been created, and here is a basic theme, the default theme Google Classroom has given to us. You can select your theme also, you can select any theme. There are many more themes, available themes, you can select any theme. I'm going to select this one, then select class theme, or you can also upload photo from your gallery. Now this is the stream option where you can announce anything for your class. Hi, our classes will be start at 10 a.m. tomorrow to 8:21. You can make anything, you can make it bolder, you can make anything bold to emphasize that. You can make anything italic, you can underline anything. Okay, you can also add any bullet list, like please bring, you can add bullet list. So to remove any formatting, what you have to do, you have to select that and click here, then the formatting will be removed. Or you can add anything from Google Drive, like you can upload anything from your Google Drive, any Jamboard or any kind of picture, any kind of file. You can add anything from your Google Drive. Like I'm going to select these two and I'm going to insert. You can also add anything or upload anything. You can upload anything from your computer. This is the upload option. You can also add any link. I'm going to copy this link and add this link. You can also add any YouTube video by clicking here. What you have to do, you just have to search for any video. I'm going to select any video and press here add. Now you can post. Then announcement has been added successfully, and whenever your student enter into the class, they can see the announcement and they can add any comment. You can also edit your announcement, or you can delete your announcement, or you can also copy the link of your announcement and share it with your students via any Facebook group or any kind of mailing option. Here are the classwork option. You can create any assignment or anything else. So you can create any assignment. There are more options. You can create any assignment, quiz assignment, question, material. You can also use a post. You can also post a topic. I'm going to choose this one. So title, like first chapter instruction to properly. Again, you can bold, italic, make it italic, underline. You can do anything, and you can also add any file from your Google Drive, or you can add anything from your computer also. Like I'm going to add this one. Then you will find the insert option. Then here is the option called assign, and here are more option. Okay, assign, you can schedule whenever you like. You don't want to assign now, but you want that today after 12 it will be assigned, and you are not available at that time, then the assignment will be posted in your Google Classroom at that time. Okay, you can schedule also, you can save draft also, or you can discard draft also. For which one? For math class 1. If you have different classroom, then it will show different options, and you can choose for which class you want to assign all the student, or you can assign for a particular student. As there are no student here for me, so this there is no option for particular student. So you can also make points, like you can make it ungraded, or you can also update point, like 10 point for assignment or 100 point. Okay, so you can also have due date, like today's 11th August. You can make a due date till 17th, and you can also add time, add any time. You can also customize this time, and you can also create any topic like math, assignment. Okay, then you can assign. Got it. So my assignment has been updated and assigned to my students. So you can also create any quiz assignment. Okay, you can add instruction, and here blank quiz has been created. You can also edit this one. This is a Google form actually. You can ask any question, like okay. You can have multiple choice, or you can have short answer. You can have short answer. Anything else? I'm going to add a multiple choice. You can also set answer key. Like if you set any answer key, the answer will be automatically checked. Okay, the answer will be automatically checked. You don't have to check it again. So the answer will be automatically checked, and the student can view the answer after they have responded. So I'm going to check this one. So whenever student tick this one, the answer will show as correct, and whenever they choose otherwise, the answer will show wrong. So you can add a point also. I'm going to add this as 0.1. So this is done now. You can also add some description. I'm not going to do anything. You know how to create a Google form. So in this way, you can make a Google form and set quiz for your students. Okay. So now I'm going to close this. So the quiz has been updated. So this is the quiz form. You can update point, and you can assign it to all the students. You can make due date. Like this is a timed quiz, and you want to today's 11 August, and now it's 7:20, and you want to, okay, let's make it 8. So my form will be open till 8 a.m. Then the form will be closed. Now you can assign. This is how you can create any assignment. Now here you can show all the people. As there are no student, I cannot show any student. What you can do, you can invite, you can copy this link and invite your student, and you can send this link to your student, and using this link they can join this Google Classroom. Or you can type any name or email address and add them to this classroom. Like I'm going to invite this person. Whenever they open the mail, they can able to know about my invitation, and they can accept the invitation and add this classroom, add this add them to this classroom. Okay, so this is how you can add student. And there are grade option. Whenever you have graded any student, or graded or any student joined, attended to quiz 1, they will be graded automatically, and all the grades will be shown here. And there another option, except the link and the mail invitation, that is this class code. Student can also join with this class code. You can join this class code. This is the class code. Student can also join with this class code. You can also share this class code. And how can student join? I'm going to show you. I'm going to open a new tab using a new Gmail account and open Google Classroom. What I have to do, I have to place here, create a join class, and I have to join a class and put my class code here. Okay. Now you can find the option like join, press here, then you will be able to join the class. See, now I am joining this class as a student. So here you can view all the assignment and announcement. Like I have created this announcement here. So this announcement has been viewed here. I can comment also. Like, I'm going to comment here. Thanks. Okay. Then there are two options. One is assignment, and another is first quiz. I'm going to open this quiz and see one more thing. This is the option. This is the dashboard option. All the upcoming work, you can view all the upcoming work from here. Okay, like due today 8 a.m. first quiz, and due Tuesday 11:59 p.m. first chapter assignment. Okay, all the upcoming due date will be shown here. I'm going to open this first quiz first. I'm going to give the first quiz and show you how the responses will be shown. So this was the quiz. I'm going to first do the wrong one and submit. Then after submitting, I can view score. Okay, so this is how this will be automatically graded, like 0 by 1. I've got 0 out of 1. Okay. So now from my teacher view, I'm going to show using first quiz. Click 1 turned in, as one student turned in this assignment, and there is 1 response. Okay. You can also view it from your Google Excel sheet. Now you can show a people. This is the people, new people has been added, and you can find grade. Okay, you can put a grade for her, like 0 by 100. Okay, start with it. So what you have to do, you have to return. Now the student will be able to see her grade. Now this is the student view. See, now her mark has been returned 0 by 100. So, and this is the private comment bad. Okay, so this is how you can manage your Google Classroom. You can open a Google Classroom and assign any quiz, or assign any assignment, or assign any homework to your students, and manage your classes like this. I guess this video is helpful for you. if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell button. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment section. I will try to make your confusions clear about this topic. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. I'm going to end this video up. So bye for this time. Stay well, stay happy. Bye.